guys ready? Too bad. You're about to go 130 feet up in the sky. Enjoy. I was talking to you. Bye. Love you. Welcome back, riders. How was that ride? Grace liked it. Well then, did you like it? Yeah. Y'all can go ahead and remain seated until the ride comes to a full and complete stop on the ground. Once it does reach the ground, I'll let you know when you guys are permitted to exit. Thank you for riding Skycatcher. Have a good rest of your day here in Kentucky Kingdom, Hurricane Man. At this time, you guys can go ahead and unbuckle your seatbelts and chest straps.